welcome back to another video, guys. So this is just going to be a quick one. It's an exciting one. So we've got a giveaway. So this is going to be an Easter giveaway. So this has kind of been sponsored by Born Pretty. So there's going to be 3 prizes, but they're all for one person. So there's just going to be one winner that wins everything. So I'll quickly show you the prizes and then I'll tell you the rules. Now, before you watch the video, there is a handful of countries that they will not deliver to. This is open to everybody, but there is just a small handful of locations that they won't deliver to. So check that. It will be in the description box before you watch the video and enter. So yeah, the prizes, the first, I'm going to say first, second and third, but it's all for one person. The first prize is, it's an 8-piece starter kit. I'll stick a picture up on the screen. I can't remember what you get in it. I'll stick a picture up on the screen. I know you get a little lamp, you get some tools. Yeah, I'll stick a picture up on the screen. The second prize is a 3-piece gel polish. It's from their Spore series, so it's in the big black 10ml bottles. And there's loads of colour combos to choose from. Again, I'll stick a picture up. You can pick whatever colours you want. That's going to be a prize. And then the third prize is going to be their matte eggshell top coat. I've got this matte eggshell top coat actually, and I love it. And you can have it glossy by just sticking a glossy top coat over it. Yeah, so that's the 3 prizes. Now, rules. Like I said, it's open to everybody. I just need you to write in the comments, enter me. You don't really need to write where you're from. It's open to everybody. But like I said, if you enter and you haven't checked and you're one of the countries that they won't deliver to, then obviously I'll have to pick another winner. But yeah, please write in the comments, enter me. I would ask, obviously you've got to be following me. You've got to be subscribed to me. And obviously I would, if you're on Instagram or Facebook, really appreciate it if you go and follow Born Pretty, Instagram or Facebook. Subscribe to their YouTube channel. They've got a YouTube channel. It's really that easy, guys. I'm not asking you to share anything. Nothing like that. Literally just comment, enter me, and yeah, Born Pretty have kindly sponsored it. So yeah, give them a follow. Subscribe to the channel. You have to be subscribed to me though, guys, and I will check. I think it's really shitty people that don't subscribe, and it's a giveaway. Come on. But that's it. I think I've covered everything. There's a big Easter sale going on at the minute. You have missed the free delivery, which was on the 10th, but there's a massive sale. I'll stick the picture up on the screen so you can have a nosy at it. And I've also got a 20% off discount code myself, which is Aggie20. Everything you need to know will be in my description box. If I've missed anything, just ask me. But yeah, I think that's it, guys. There's some bargains in this sale. It's well worth going over and having a nosy. Use discount codes. Whatever discount code is the biggest at the time, use that. But yeah, that's it, guys. I feel like I'm missing something. But yeah, just write enter me. I'll leave it open for a week or so. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell as well. A lot of yous that watch me time and time again are not subscribed. Now, if you're like me and you hate your phone pinging all the time, you can turn your notifications off. I have my notifications off because I'm subscribed and following to a lot of people. I get messages all day. I get emails all day. And my phone is just ping, 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 ping. So if that's the reason you're not subscribed, because you're sick of notifications, turn them off. I would love you to still subscribe and turn your notifications off. Because yeah, in my analytics, there's 46, that's nearly half of you lot that are watching me time after time. You're not subscribed, and I don't get that. Anyway, yeah, take care, and hopefully you'll all be back in the next one. Bye.